Besides a Quickstart mode, we integrated also a profile and test mode. Here's a selection of predefined profiles. For example, interval trainings. Each training here is pretty fixed according to the time and a profile. But each of those profiles can be scaled. For example, by time, speed, or the elevation. Scale it down if the time of this profile might be too long, and you want to have it shorter. In addition, we integrated some of the tests from literature, from research, or from clinical practitioners. For example, UKK Walking Test, Conconi Test, Graded Test for Performance Testing, Gardner Protocol, Bruce Protocol. Many different tests. Each test can be modified. Just click on the Modify button and you will go to the editor, where you can edit those profiles individually to start one of those tests. Just click on Start. And the rest will happen automatically.